Kids scientists, Kids scientists, robots,
Oh gosh. Why you scare me with that? So what's our question today, James?
If the beads will sink or float.
Ooh, okay. So what are we using as our ingredients this week?
Sugar, salt, and baking soda.
Stellar. All right. So we have a control. Do you know what that is?
Water, and we're gonna dip these three and these three.
All right. That sounds good. We'll pour them in and we'll mix it up. Mix it up. All right, kid scientist over here. Will you stir it with your stir stick of stirriness?
Yeah.
Stir, stir, stir. These are volatile vials of violence. As we wait for these to cool down, because they are heated, we shall break for intermission. Go ahead and dance us out for a second. Now that these substances have been dissolved appropriately into the liquids,
Yes.
I brought some beads for us to test with. Now what we're going to do is perform the experiment to confirm our hypothesis. Go ahead and do it. And just drop it right in the water. Oh, they floated right back to the top. Now our next liquid is our baking soda. Our tablespoon of baking soda.
I think it's gonna float.
Is the bead going to float
Daddy,
or sink?
Float.
Oh, no thank you, kid scientist. All right, go ahead and put it in there. See what happens.
Float.
It did. It floated to the top. Good job. You're 2 for 2. Our next liquid is our salt water.
I think it's gonna float.
A tablespoon of salt. It's gonna float.
Ah.
All right, let's see what happens. It did. It floated right to the top. Good hypothesis.
2 by 2.
All right, 3 for 3. Our last one is
Mommy.
sugar. Sugar water.
I think it's gonna float.
Is it gonna float in the sugar water? Let's find out.
Yep.
What just happened?
It's in the middle.
Oh, I don't think so. I think it sank to the very bottom.
Oh.
Wow. That's astonishing.
No, it's a little bug
Here,
like
you
that.
try it a couple more times with the sugar. Sugar water. Try it again. Right over here. They sank to the bottom. What's going on?
Mommy. One floated.
Oh, wow. That is strange. Let's do this again. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one more in here, one more in here, one more in here, just to be sure. That means these liquids are thicker and it makes things float to the top. And these two liquids are thinner and makes the beads float to the bottom.
Thumbs up if you know how they floated.
All right. Let's say goodbye to our friends. That concludes our video.
Bye.